Nobody told this about daily English practice. Hello, welcome back to my slow English practice. Everyone says practice English daily. Everyone says practice English daily, but nobody tells you how. Daily practice isn't about hours of study. Daily practice is not about hours of study. It's about consistency. It's fully consistency. Even 5 minutes daily beats 2 hours once a week. Try this. Morning. Speak one sentence. Morning. Speak one sentence. Afternoon. Listen to a short English clip. Afternoon. Listen to a short English clip. Night. Write one thought in English. Night. Write one thought in English. That's enough. Small daily actions create fluency. Don't chase big practice sessions. Don't chase big practice session. Win with small daily steps. Win with small daily steps. What's one English sentence for today? Write it below.